Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use Google Chrome and Google Play Store on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite. So first let's try to download something from Google Play Store. If we click on install for this Call of Duty Mobile, it changes into the pending mode and won't begin the actual download. Now let's try the Google Chrome, and if we enter any website like YouTube, there's also the problem. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to open a settings, look for additional settings at the bottom, then go for date and time, and set time automatically. If you go back to your browser and refresh the page, it should load normally. And the same is with Google Play Store, as we can install the game and it will begin the actual download. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.